Welcome to Kids Learning TV. ABC Animals for Kids. A for ant. B for bee. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ibex. J for jaguar. K for kangaroos. L for lion. M for monkey. N for Nicobar pigeon. O for ocelot. P for panda. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for squirrel. T for tiger. U for Ugandan cob. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for Xeris. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.